Do you want to make your videos feel more intense and realistic? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add an unsteady camera shake effect in CapCut Mobile, using its built-in video effects. Let's get started! First, open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it into the editing timeline. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then choose Video Effects. Browse through the available effect categories. Also, you can use the search bar to search for Unsteady Camera Shake. Tap the effect to preview it. You'll notice a subtle camera movement that simulates the natural shake of a handheld camera. You can also make adjustments. Just tap the Adjust button and slide the slider all you want. The slider option depends on the version of CapCut you have. Once you're happy with the preview, tap the checkmark and apply the effect. Drag the left or right edge of the layer to control how long the shake effect lasts. Before exporting, play your video to preview the final result. And that's how you add Unsteady Camera Shake Effect in CapCut Mobile. Shake it up, level it up. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless.